to draw a peep, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for today's drawing, it will be a little bit faster. Let's go ahead and begin towards the top center of our page by making a simple curved line starting right here on the left hand side. This will be the top portion of our peep's head. Nice, now let's draw the beak, which will be attached to the endpoint that we just finished making. Then, we'll go ahead and draw the right side of the body, which will be one simple long curve. Also, if you are new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, let's move back over to the top left-hand side where we first began. Here, we're going to go ahead and start to close off the big open portion right below. This will be done by making the bottom portion of our peep's body. Well done, we're almost finished. Let's go ahead and move right above the bottom portion of our peep's body, and we're going to make a simple curved line for a little extra detail. Nice. Now let's go ahead and draw a simple black dot completely filled in for the pupil and eye. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. This is how to draw a peep. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.